How to Play Broken Window Serenade by Whiskey Myers. This is the easiest guitar song of all time and it's only 2 chords. Step 1, learn the chords. The only 2 chords you need are C add 9 and E minor. Step 2, learn the strumming pattern. For this song, it's down, down, up, and you're going to do that 4 times per chord. Put everything together and it should sound like this.